This zucchini is the best zucchini I've ever had in my life. All right, we just got our Harvest XL, Harvest Right Large XL freeze dryer. Just got it put into the side, installed the pump, hooked it up to the dedicated circuit on the wall. The exhaust water pipe portion of it, my wife is unpacking it right now. We will let you know how it goes beyond that.
A few moments later.
All right, so we just ran our first batch of vegetables through this freeze dryer. It's been running for how long?
30 hours.
30 hours, and I'm gonna tell you right now that some of this stuff is amazing. What is this, babe?
Zucchini.
This is zucchini. This is the best zucchini I've ever had in my life. Good. I mean, we tried some grapes too. Let me get in here. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Let me go ahead and get really into showing you real quick. Hold on. All right, let me zoom in on this. We're not done with our kitchen out here yet. This is the grapes. I mean, they are dry, completely dry. I mean, they're like candy, man, and they taste absolutely. This zucchini though, it's probably the best tasting zucchini. What else do we make, babe?
Pineapple, loquats.
Pineapples.
Loquats are Japanese plums, which are popular here in the South.
I tried some of these olives, were amazing too. I mean, it's just a different way of tasting it. Really, really good. Oh man.
I did strawberry tops to make strawberry powder with. Apples with cinnamon sugar on them and more pineapples. Oh, asparagus, and I just did zucchini cut a different way. These are kind of like, I thought they might come out like, you know, those potato sticks.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, that's so good. I'll try some of that too. Holy cow.
And then last but not least,
This is my favorite.
the bell peppers.
So, let me go and flip back over. So the first thing, I mean, we forgot to film it. We were supposed to film it pulling it out of the freeze dryer. But we were so excited to kind of see how it was that we completely neglected it. The first thing I grabbed and I put in my mouth were these bell peppers that were salted. And I started eating it. I'm telling you right now, I probably ate like 20 of these things. And they're so good. It was better than anything I ever tasted. I'm actually going to eat my vegetables now. So, but other than that, we're going to go ahead and update you guys on a couple more batches we're going to run. And I'm probably going to run a couple more batches with this one. But other than that, I'll keep you guys updated here in a little bit.